Hey guys, my Audi S4 is officially for sale now. This is actually going to be the second time I'm selling this car. The first time I ended up buying an R8, which meant I needed to keep the car, but this time I have purchased another vehicle. It's a replacement daily driver, so the S4 is definitely going to be sold. Today we're gonna head up to my friend Alex's place. We're gonna be swapping out my wheels and tires to the other set, the HRE Flow Forms. It's still on the 19-inch factory peelers, which I put the winter tires, the Soto Zeros on there, Pirelli Soto Zeros, but supposedly Michigan winter should be almost done. It was like 60 something early in the week, and then yesterday Michigan was like, JK, you're gonna get some snow. So it's like cold out today, 30 something, and there's actual snow on the ground. Regardless, I'm going to be taking off the tires because it should warm up from here. I'm gonna swap them to the HRE Flow Forms with the other set of wheels and tires. Do that, and then my S4 is officially for sale. Let's load everything up into the car. Have to put the back seats down for sure. All right, 4 wheels and tires in the car. Time to go. Can't wait to get these back on. I love the way they look, and they are way lighter than the factory wheels for sure. All right, we've arrived. Alec actually also has a B8.5 S4. That's his daily. Well, you've got like 9 cars right now, right?
And none of them are here.
None of them are here. The S4 is here. I actually like that color combo. His GTR is for sale. He actually.
I can't go get you. I can get
Get you now. All right, we're swapping the wheels and tires on this one. Alec is doing something fun. He's rebuilding a Supra. Well, like restoring / building. So there's a big intercooler for that thing. The transmission is hiding down there.
one of the engines underneath the.
One of the engines.
The cover over there.
You've spent. Do you want to disclose how much you spent on the Supra?
Over 6.
Yeah. Well, you're doing it right. It's like you tore it down to the frame and repainted it, right? It's like.
I mean, there's like frame, and then there's this car. I mean, every single thing has been off the car.
Yeah.
All the body molding, glue.
It's gonna be pretty. You're like pretty much making it a brand new Supra.
Something like that.
Something like that. That's the goal. Here are the Flow Forms. I love these. They're like 21 pounds a corner or something compared to the insanely heavy factory wheels. All right, first set on. Just torqued them. Snap-on torque wrench. This costs as much as my car does, right, Alec?
Yeah.
Approximately the same. Yep. S4 runs square stance, so all the wheels and tires are the same size, but and the tread is pretty much similar on all of mine so far.
All wheels.
All right, first set on, or first 2 on. We'll check the tire pressures. I wish we didn't live in Michigan. I would totally lower the car slightly.
You've ruined Michigan weather enough. Look at this.
This is not my fault.
This is short
It's
not
yeah, it was like 67 degrees. I was like, all right, we're gonna swap them out. Now it's snowing on the ground. This is dumb.
Had red.
We just spent 5 minutes bickering about colored interior. Alec loves his black interior. I like colored. He hates the Nagaro edition interior, which is blue. We've got the magma red inserts here. So we've got the wheels and tires on, the Somerset, and obviously it's all my fault because I wanted to put my wheels on and it's snowing today.
This is horrible.
This is horrible. Michigan sucks. Tires were a little low. We got them back up to 41 PSI. So I'm sure I'll have to store those pressures in the car's memory once we start going. But there we go. Factory setup. HREs. But these are the peasant HREs because I can't afford fully forged ones. Fully forged ones would be like 1/3 of the cost of the car. But anyways.
Those side skirts though.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense. You see? Body colored. Silver. Body colored? Like, you've got the Alu Optics trimmer on everything else. But for some reason, your side skirts are not the right color. We are back home now. I've got the winter wheels and tires on the back of the car. I'll throw those in the garage, stack those up. Again, the S4 is officially for sale. I'll be offering it with the winter wheels and tires. The tires have they've got 1 winter on them, so it's 5,000 to 6,000 miles total. Still plenty of tread left. Those are on the factory 19-inch peeler wheels. The HREs will be offered flow form wheels with the car itself. I really do love the flow forms on the summer tire setup. They are a lot lighter than factory, so you get a lot less unsprung weight on each corner. You can feel it when you're just kind of driving around, accelerating and turning. Love the way they feel, love the way they look. Again, the S4 is officially for sale. As a quick recap, I'll show you guys some of the options on the car. It was a pretty much fully optioned vehicle. 59,700 sticker. On the inside, we've got the magma red inserts, the upgraded Napa leather with the carbon fiber Atlas inserts. So you got there on the center here too, a carbon fiber. You got red stitching too, like on the armrest there. Shift boot here on the steering wheel. It's got the red stitching, Bang Olufsen sound system on the inside. Audi side assist, so blind spot warning right there. MMI, obviously. Pretty much for the interior options, I think that's everything. Around the outside, it had the upgraded 19-inch wheels, which are sitting right there. It's got alloy optics. It's got the sports diff, which I think is the absolutely most important option you need on an S4. You need the sports differential. It is DSG, so the S-Tronic dual clutch transmission, 7-speed. What else is there? I think those are all the, actually I have the window sticker pulled up right here. Let's take a look at that real quick. Turn the camera around. Yeah, I have it on my phone right now. You can see MSRP total was $59,700. Let's see, B&O sound system, MMI, black with magma inserts. The paint, oh, I didn't know the paint cost money. My paint was $500. It's the Phantom Black with pearl effect. It's got clear brown on the front. The camera would focus. Clear brown on the front. Actually, it's got upgraded LED focus camera. Focus, come on. It's got upgraded LED fog lights. And it's still under warranty. I bought this car CPO. It still is under warranty. It's still completely stock. I just put wheels on it. Because again, it was my daily driver. I didn't see a need to void the warranty. Under warranty until end of this year, which is transferable. It's been maintained via Audi Care. But yes, my S4 is for sale. The new car is coming soon. It's officially purchased next Friday, or this Friday. I think by the time this video is posted, it would be this Friday. Flying down. It's located in Miami, Florida. My first time ever going to Miami. Pick up the car, drive it home. I'm very excited. Going to be doing lots of things with that car. But that means my S4 is for sale. I will list the cars.com posting below with all the information, pictures, any information. Reach out, ask me, email me, DM me on Instagram, whatever you need to do. We'll get this car sold, not in like an insane rush to sell it, so I'm not taking lowball offers. Like when I was selling the, I think somebody lowballed me already and I was really like, no, sorry, no thank you. Anyways, I will miss this car. It's been a brilliant daily driver. It's a beast in the snow, love it. But the next car will be even cooler. Hope you guys like this quick little video. Just kind of want to let you guys know the S4 is for sale, and I swapped it to the nicer wheels and tires because in theory it's supposed to be warm. I don't know what the hell Michigan is doing. It was like 67 degrees last week, and then it snowed last night. This is dumb. Anyways, spring is theoretically coming. It will be enjoyable. Summer will be fun. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.